Autostrada are pleased to present this Audi Allroad 3-litre V6 TDI Quattro Sport S-Tronic. This Audi is a 2017 66 registered car and has covered 19,000 miles. This Audi's exterior is Argus metallic, the interior black leather. The specification of this Audi includes panoramic roof, Audi virtual cockpit, rear camera tech pack, advanced key, MILANO leather, high beam control, auto stop start, voice control, privacy glass and 18-inch alloy wheels. You can search our website to find a car of your choice and also find a finance package that suits your budget.